All right, let's work with this. So, every triangle, the angles inside of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. No matter what triangle is, all of the angles inside have to add up to 180 degrees. So right here, I'm trying to figure out what x is. Now, I know that 40 plus 60 plus the mystery has to equal 180. Okay? So if I add these up, I know 100 plus something equals 180. I can subtract the 100 from both sides. X equals 80. Now, so the same thing here. I know that if you add up all three angles, it equals 180. So I know that 3x plus 5x plus 2 plus 2x plus, should be 8. I don't know why I wrote 10 there. It should be 8. Plus 8 equals 180. So 3x plus 5x plus 2x is 10x. So I used all the x's. I added them all up. Then 2 plus 8 also equals 10, equals 180. Subtract 10 from both sides. You're left with 10x equals 170. Divide by 10 on both sides. X equals 17. So here, when you have an exterior angle plus the interior angle have to equal 180 because it makes half of a circle when you combine the angles. So that's going to be 180. So I know that 110 plus x equals 180. Subtract 110 from both sides. You're left with x equals 70. Oh, that's horrible. 70. Okay? Now, this one. Another trick with the exterior angle. The exterior angle is not, there's going to be no 180 in this question. So this angle equals this angle plus that angle. So this exterior angle equals the two angles it's not touching. So 2x plus 3x equals 100. So that means that 5x equals 100. X equals 20. I divided by 5 on both sides to get that. All right, let's go to here. How many degrees are in a 13agon? So, shape with 13 sides. Here's the formula. N minus 2 times 180. That's how you figure out how many degrees are in any shape. So, 13 is the number of sides. So, I'm going to write 13 minus 2 times 180. So, that's going to be 11 times 180. So, that's going to be 1,980. Done. All right, now we're going to do the last one here. What is each angle in a regular decagon? So now we're not looking for the total amount of degrees. We're looking for one angle in a decagon. Now a decagon has 10 sides. So we're still going to do the same formula. So it's going to be 10 minus 2 times 180. But when you're all done, you're going to have to divide everything by 10 to figure out what each angle is. So it's going to be 10 minus 2. That's going to be 8. 8 times 180, that's going to be 800 plus 640. That's going to be 1440. And then we're going to divide by 10, and that's going to equal 144 degrees in each regular decagon. A regular decagon is very special. It means that every single angle and every single side is exactly the same for this decagon. All right, now let's go over this here. So now, we're going to be doing a translation. A translation is very similar to a copy and paste, or when you drag and drop something into a different location. Now, we're going to be moving this shape, the whole shape, 1 to the right and 3 down. Now, the way that you do this is you grab every single vertex or every single dot in the shape and move them exactly this much. So, I'm going to start with A. And we're going to move this 1 to the right and 3 down, leaving it right there. There's my A prime. B is going to move 1 to the right and 3 down. 1, 2, 3, leaving you right here with a B. Then this one's going to go 1 to the right and 3 down. 1, 2, 3. Leaving me with the C right there. And then you connect them, and you are done. You've completed a translation. It should be the exact same shape. I had like a curve here. I guess something's on my desk or something. But yeah, that is what a translation is. Okay? Now, so that you know which one is the original and which one's the new one, you write a little dash on the top of each letter, making these the secondary shape. This is A prime, B prime, C prime. The second shape. The original, I don't have to write anything weird on it because it's the original. And that's it.